Now cap for 4, 3, 2, 1, and left turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and right turn 360, and 2, 1, left turn 360, and 2, 1, right turn 360, 2, 1, left turn 360, and 2, 1, right turn 360, and cap, 2, 3, 4. Now come down, sweep back, come out, underhand on this side, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, right turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn 360, 4, 3, 2, right turn 360, and 2, 1, left turn 360, and 2, 1, right turn 360. One more time, 2 and 1, left turn 360, and we'll do 4 of them, 3 of them, 2 of them, last one, and now sweep over, go into clockwise, chasing the sun, 4, 3, 2, and under the leg, and drop stall, come down, change direction, counterclockwise, 4, and 3, and 2, and under the leg, and drop stall, and counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shifted up, come up into pinwheel, come down into overhand weave on the left, and turn to underhand on the right, turn to overhand on the left, turn to underhand on the right, turn to the overhand on the left, and to the right, underhand left, overhand left, underhand right, overhand left, open it up, and sweep back, come up to pinwheel, and split time the pinwheel, and make it big for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and now we're going to spin 360 to the right, and 4, 3, 2, 1, spin 360 to the right, and cut it down in half, 2, 1, right turn 360, and 2, 1, right turn 360, up into your pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, step your right foot forward, left turn 360, right turn 360, left turn 360, right turn 360, and bring it outside, go into the cap again, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn to the right, come into the underhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn to the left, and do 2, and 1, and now turn to the right and underhand for 2, and 1, and now go over the top, so do 1 cap, and then come to the right, and 1 cap, and come to the left, and 1 cap, come to the right, 1 cap, come to the left, 1 cap, come to the right, 1 cap, come to the left, 1 cap, come to the right, 1 cap, come to the left, and stall your right poi, stall your left poi, stall your right poi, stall your left poi, stall your right poi, stall your left poi, stall your right poi, stall your left poi. And now let's do it with the left lead. You're back into overhand here. We're going to start with the left stalls first, then the right stalls, the left stalls, the right stalls. Do 4 more. Left stalls, right stalls, left stalls, right stalls, and 1 more time left stalls. And now turn to the right into overhand butterfly. Take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. Now go up right, go up left, go up right, go up left, and come into the hip reel, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now come to butterfly, thread the needle, 2, 3, 4, plane shift it, 5, 6, 7, up above, tap the right poi in the back of the body, and turn with it, turn with it, turn with it. We're turning left, we're turning left. Keep going all the way around again, again, again. Come to the front, come into counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, back up into pinwheel. Come down on the left and overhand weave, turn to underhand weave on the right side, open it up, and wrap it around your fingers so you have it in short poi. Bring it into the underhand buzzsaw. Take the right poi, tap it on your back. And now here you are with the right overhand, left underhand. Bring the left one up and over, and the right one down and across. Bring the right one up and over, and the left one down and across. Left goes up and over, right is down and across. Right goes up and over, left goes down and across. Left over, right under, right over, left under, left over, right under, right over, left under. And open your legs, and we're going to do a back slap with the left with a butt slap with the right, and back to buzzsaw. 5, 6, 7, and taps and buzzsaw. 6, 7, and taps and buzzsaw. 6, 7, and taps and buzzsaw. 6, 7, 8. This will be the last time we tap. The right one comes out an underhand, the left one is an overhand. Release the left poi, turn to the left, release the right poi, come into overhand butterfly on the front plane. And then we're going to turn to the left, and we'll go into the 4-petal in spin.